In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Webex account. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Webex free sign-up page. Once the page loads, you'll see a place to begin creating your account. Enter your email address carefully, then click the blue Sign Up button to move forward. Make sure you use an email address that you can access right away, because Webex will send you a verification code that you'll need in the next step. Now, depending on whether this is your very first time creating a Webex account, the screens you see may look a little different from what's shown in some tutorials. That's completely normal, so don't worry if the layout or wording varies slightly. The overall process is still the same. Next, check your email inbox for a 6-digit verification code sent by Cisco Webex. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and also check your spam or junk folder just in case it landed there. Once you find the code, go back to the sign-up page, enter the 6-digit number into the verification field, and click Verify. After your email has been confirmed, you'll be asked to enter your basic account details. Type in your first name and last name, then choose your country or region from the list provided. Take a moment to make sure everything is accurate, since this information will be connected to your account profile. The next step is to create a secure password. In most cases, Webex requires at least 8 characters, including a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. Choose something strong but memorable so your account stays secure. Finally, click Continue to complete the setup process. Once that's done, you'll be taken into your new Webex User Hub dashboard, where your account is ready to use.